Florida, 27th state of the United States of America. Florida holds the distinction of ranking number 50 when comparing the highest elevation in each state. The highest elevations are found in northern Florida, whereas the average elevation in southern Florida is about 5 meters above sea level. Among such low levels of topographic elevation, there is, however, one notable anomaly. This is Jensen Beach, an unincorporated town in Martin County, Florida. The elevation in Jensen Beach is unlike anywhere else in South Florida, and the maximum elevation is a dizzying 24 meters above sea level. If you love the tropics, the sand, and the sea, but you also like to sleep more than 5 meters above sea level, Jensen Beach might very well be the place for you.